Oh, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? It's your girl, Msjaniece, and I'm in my car right now because your girl, I'm getting microblading done today. I am absolutely terrified. I have never done any type of microblading before. So basically, y'all know I'm in beauty school. For those who are new to my channel, hey, it's your girl, Msjaniece. You know, I'm funny. For the most part, this is a beauty channel. But since my studio isn't set up yet, I've kind of been vlogging everything. And I just recently moved down here to Florida about a month ago. So there's my intro to you guys. Sub to continue to watch my craziness. But everything's been fine thus far. School is going great. Salon work is going great. So when I was in class, what was this, like last Friday? It's the 3rd today, so I'm gonna try to get this video up by tonight. But they asked me, did I want to be a model for microblading? So since your girl have barely any eyebrows, I said yes. So here we are. I'm gonna try to document everything, but as y'all can see, I am very lacking here, so I always have to fill them in. To my knowledge, this shit is gonna last 12 to 18 months, and I'm like low-key, high-key nervous. Even though the professional is gonna be doing my eyebrows, I want to see what type of shape you're gonna give me, sir. You know what I mean? Before you start marking me at all. So I think one of my instructors are right here. And oh, update on my doggy. He's doing much better, because I know a lot of people was asking about that. If you didn't check it out, I'll be sure to link it up here somewhere. What was going on with him, and I had to take him to the emergency room and everything. So yeah, other than that, your girl been going to school and work. That's it, you know. I think I found us a permanent house. We might go check that out today. So I might bring y'all along with me on that. But I'm about to go in this school and be a guinea pig. So y'all pray for me and pray that these eyebrows come out gorgeous. Also my homegirl, Lash Lace, she's down in Devonport. She did my lashes for me. I wanted like a wispy, more natural look, but you know, she did what she did. I like them. They cool. It's something to, you know, kind of get used to. I think I got 18 mm on. Don't quote me, but yeah, it's something to get used to. I like them. When I get my eyebrows done, I think it'll really set off like the whole face, hopefully. So if not, I know how to carve my eyebrows. So I just pray that I have some gorgeous, you know, looking eyebrows, because I'm gonna have them for a year. Okay, so guys, pray for me, and I will get back on here when we go in here. I'm gonna ask, of course, can I, like, I guess vlog so it's not weird. So I'll hopefully be able to do that in the midst of, I'll let y'all know how bad it hurt, because I heard it does hurt. So hopefully I get some numbing or something like that prior. But yeah, I will come back to you guys, like I said, hopefully showing the process, showing how it hurts and everything like that, and we'll kind of talk about it afterwards. But I am terrified. Yo, I'm the only black person. Everybody else is Asian. No shade. They be doing their thing. Got to the restaurant. This one is done so far. I'm not sure. They're working on this one. This one is done. They lifted my arch up, which I guess is okay, but I would have wanted it more. I don't know. They give me an Asian eyebrow, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see real quick the finished look. I like this one. I don't care too much for this one. Like, you see this right here? But it's nothing some makeup and concealer can't fix, because I'm used to a higher arch. And this is kind of more, you know what I mean? They say natural. This is more of an Asian arch, because I don't know. This is how I normally see how Asian people like their eyebrows. But I have a, like, I'll insert a picture somewhere, but I have a higher arch than this. It kind of go up and then down, and they kind of rounded it out, which, like I said, this one is fine. All right. I mean, they all right. They all right. They all right. Something I gotta get used to. Hold on. Oh, I forgot an aftercare sheet. Hold up.
Confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
I'm trying not to freak out. Only because, like, eyebrows make or break you, right? Like, this one is cool. Like, I can finesse that. You feel me? This one is all right. I can finesse this. That's what my ass get. I appreciate it. It was free. It lasts like a year and a half. I did get my little aftercare and my little ointments and stuff. Let's see what the aftercare is talking about. So it says permanent eyebrows. Keep away from water for 24 hours. Apply ointment over brows every night within a few days. Within the first few days. During a week, the color will begin to darken. After 4 or 5 days, the dead skin on the brow will scab and peel out. Do not peel the scab out because it will take longer it will take on the color of the ink of the tattoo beneath. After it peels off, color will be lighter and look more natural. Oh my god, y'all. For microblading, after finished microblading, do not apply ointment for 24 hours. Edging is relieved by slapping or patting at behind. Oh my god. Yeah, why? Why did I want to become a model today? Y'all look at this. Hold on, I'm gonna look straight. Y'all see that, right? I'm not even doing that on purpose. Like, that's what my ass get from right here. No, look. Alright. When can I apply makeup? Okay? Look, hold on. You're gonna focus on it. It look alright. This one look alright. I can work with this one. That's what my ass get. I'm about to oh, something to eat, man. And eat this the personal way. Oh man, this shit crazy. Alright, y'all, I'm gone. You know what? I'm mad. I'm really, really mad. Like, the more and more I look at this, like, straight, like, bruh, what the fuck did I... Calm down. What did I do? What did I do? Listen, and the shape that he drew did not look like this. It did not look like this at all. It didn't look like this at all. So I don't know how this became the end shape. It didn't look like this at all. I'm not going to even say, like, who did it, da-da-da, like... And I've seen his work, and this shit did not look like this. Like, I don't know if dude felt like he needed to rush because he got students, and... This shit is going to last a year and a half, man. A year to a year and a half. A year to a year and a fucking half. If y'all have any suggestions on what I can do, leave it in the comments, man. Like, you can see where my eyebrow is going on this one. You can see where my natural arch is. Y'all pushed, and they pushed it out. Like, you know what? This is how good of a model I am, right? When you're a model, you're supposed to not say nothing. Just be like, yeah, it's cute, it's cute. Until I gotta live with this for a year and a half. That's my whole thing. So I'm gonna leave the video at that. Peace, love, and happiness. That's what my ass gets for trying to be cute and trying something new. Until the next one, I don't even feel like recording for the rest of the day because I can't even put makeup on this yet. Like, I gotta wait a couple days for this shit to even heal to do anything with it. So I'm mad. Send me some good luck vibes in the bottom in the comments, please. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. They look better in the dark, but y'all know the routine. Pick a video, make sure you subscribe, and again, send me some words of wisdom down in the comments because your girl is depressed.